Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in Forex and dive into what's coming up next. Today, we're going to take a look at the Forex market for October 24th, 2024, and give you my take on what you can expect going into tomorrow. Now, I'm not just here to toss out generic forecasts. I'll be walking you through key factors that are shaping the markets right now and showing you how I'm approaching the next trading day. Alright, let's jump right in. October 24th brought some big moves, folks, especially in the USD pairs. We saw the dollar gaining momentum against the euro and the pound, as investors continued to react to the latest US economic data. Inflation pressures in the US remain a concern, and with the Federal Reserve keeping its hawkish stance, the greenback is holding strong. Now, if you've been trading for a while, you know this isn't just about one day's movement. Let's talk about what's driving these moves and how that's setting up the market for tomorrow. First, let's talk about the US economic data. The higher-than-expected inflation report we got this week has been a game-changer. Investors are expecting the Fed to stick to its aggressive rate hike plan, which is keeping the dollar strong across the board. Second, the energy market is playing a huge role right now. With oil prices rising again, commodity currencies like the Canadian dollar and Australian dollar are getting a boost. If you're trading the US dollar to Canadian dollar or Australian dollar to US dollar, keep an eye on oil prices. They've been volatile and could make for some big swings. And third, let's not forget about the global outlook. Europe's still facing slower growth, and this is putting pressure on the euro. Meanwhile, Japan continues to intervene in the yen's decline, but it's struggling to keep up with the dollar's strength. Now, here's what you really came for. What can we expect on October 25th? Looking at euro to US dollar, I'm expecting the dollar to remain dominant, but be cautious of any pullback around the 1.0550 level. We might see some profit taking after the recent rally. If you're thinking about shorting the euro, wait for confirmation of a break below 1.0500 before jumping in. For pound sterling to US dollar, watch for volatility as UK economic data is coming out tomorrow morning. If the pound drops below 1.2100, it could open up a bigger move down toward 1.2000, especially if the dollar keeps pushing higher. Now, US dollar to Japanese yen is the wild card. With Japan stepping in to support the yen, there's potential for sharp moves. Keep your stops tight if you're trading this pair. I wouldn't be surprised to see it hover around 150, but any news from the Bank of Japan could push it lower. Looking at commodities, gold is hovering around $1,950 per ounce. If you're trading XAU/USD, be prepared for some range-bound action until we get more clarity on interest rates. The rising dollar has put pressure on gold, but if we see any signs of a dollar correction, that could give gold a lift. One cross-currency pair I've got my eye on is euro to pound sterling. We've seen a lot of sideways movement here, but with the UK set to release important data tomorrow, we might see the pound take control. If you're trading this pair, watch the 0.8600 level closely. So, that's my breakdown of the Forex market for October 24th, 2024, and my forecast for the next day. It's shaping up to be a busy trading day, so stay alert and keep your risk management in check. Whether you're trading the majors or focusing on cross pairs, the key is staying flexible and not getting locked into one idea. Markets can shift quickly, and the best traders are the ones who adapt. Before you go, drop a comment below. Let me know what pairs you're trading or if you've got any questions about today's analysis. And, of course, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my daily updates. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay sharp. Join us for a detailed Forex market analysis and forecast for October 24th, 2024. We cover the key drivers behind the USD, Euro, GBP, JPY, and more. Find out what to expect heading into October 25th, including economic data updates, technical levels, and commodity market trends. Don't miss this crucial insight into tomorrow's trading action. Subscribe for daily Forex analysis and strategy tips.